This is the magnetic base with articulating arm for dial indicator mount. The mount has two sides to it. This side has a V shape to it, which is good for flat and round surfaces. This side over here has a flat side to it, which works best on flat surfaces. The on-off lever controls the magnetism. As I move the lever to the on position, you'll see it attracts the paper clip. This works for both sides. The articulating arm has two ball mounts associated with it. There's a ball mount closest to the magnetic base and a ball mount at the other end closest to the dial indicator mount. These ball mounts have limited amount of movement from side to side as far as how far you can move the arm, except for in one location where there's a cutout. This cutout provides a full 90-degree movement of that articulating arm so that you can position this in almost any position that's necessary to make your adjustments. The large turn screw on the articulating arm is used to loosen the arm so you can make your position, and then tightening the thumb screw or the large black knob will lock it into the position that you need to make your adjustment. On the end for the dial indicator mount, there is a large thumb screw right here, which is called a pinch screw. This pinch screw is going to be used to hold the dial indicator into position. The other thumb screw is used to align the needle dial with a zero spot on the dial indicator. On the dial indicator end of the mount, there is a round hole for round adapter and a rectangular slot for rectangular adaptation of the dovetail dial indicator. The standard dial indicator base is designed with a round mount to fit into that round hole. Once the dial indicator is in position, you tighten the pinch screw to lock it into place so it won't move. This now will hold the dial in position so that you can make your measurement. The thumb screw for adjusting the needle position is nothing more than a spring-loaded tilting mechanism. As you turn the thumb screw, you can see the dial indicator tilting. If the needle is up against an object, that tilting will change the position of the needle so that you can line the zero mark on the dial indicator up with one of the zero lines on the dial indicator face. This makes it easier to make your measurement. The rectangular mounting location on the dial indicator mount is for the dovetail dial indicators. The dovetail dial indicator has three rectangular mounting locations. There's one on the front of the dial indicator, one on the top, and one on the back side. This will slide down through the rectangular mounting location on the dial indicator mount, and it will slide down into the bracket assembly, allowing you to hold it into place by using the pinch screw to lock it down. Loosening the pinch screw will allow you to remove the dial indicator from the rectangular mount. The dovetail dial indicator kit also comes with a round mounting adapter in case you don't have the rectangular pinch on the end of your dial indicator kit. This will slide down over the rectangular spot on the dial indicator. The mounting adapter has a thumb screw that, when tightened, will lock the dial indicator into position so it doesn't move. Then you can use the round mounting hole on your dial indicator mounting assembly to hold the dovetail into position and then tighten your pinch screw.